What is CLT? Part 2. CLT is a system of both energetics practice and cultivation that must be instituted concurrently. Practice refers to the movement and meditative exercises adopted by the practitioner, which involve the use of crystals to learn how to purify the physical body. At this elementary phase of practice, CLT is developed for the purpose of enhancing the quality of life, promoting health, disease prevention, protecting and prolonging life. On the other hand, cultivation refers to the higher aspect of the CLT system where one learns how to refine mind and character, live life in loving collaboration with others and conduct one's life according to the universal laws, the foundation of which are the three principles of love, truth, and selflessness. These laws are necessary in order that all beings in the universe could coexist in peace and harmony, as there is a universal law which governs every single relationship in our lives. Hence, it is of utmost importance to know, understand, and follow these laws so that we could get out of harm's way. Without knowing or adhering to the universal laws, we will continuously violate them, therefore going against the natural flow of life, depleting and eventually exhausting our energy in the process. It is only through cultivation that one can ever hope of ever completing our human evolution and be liberated from the shackles that chain us to the endless cycles of human pain and suffering, aging and death.